Hi guys, I'm Nigel from Andrew Guru. Today we have caught on Mr. Vidya Shankar from Sony India, the Mangalore branch, from Mangalore basically. He was here doing an event in Panjamin. We would like to know what is so great about the alpha range of cameras which they are trying to promote. So let's hear what Mr. Vidya Shankar has to say.
Yes, thanks for attending our event in Panjiman. So today basically we are having an event of post alpha workshop which we actually usually do for a customers who has already bought a camera like Alpha. We have a range of cameras in our lineup which suits actually for your amateur customers, might be a wedding photographer, might be a pro photographer or might be a videographer. It suits for all range of customers. Now taking this opportunity, what I'll do is I have so many products with me, but I love a product called Alpha 77, which actually suits for most of the wedding photographers, which is having a beautiful functions. Like our resolution is pretty okay with 24 megapixel, but autofocusing point it is having a 79 autofocusing points, which is very good in terms of focusing. And also it is having a very good speed of 12 frames per second, which can capture actually 12 images for 1 second.
I heard something about that Sony has a good technology in this which they have embedded.
Yes, it is having so many technologies in this, which actually helps for our each and every photographers. Each and every Sony cameras are very fast in terms of autofocusing. It might be clicking images by using a live view mode, or it might be an images clicking by using your viewfinder. It is very fast. Then second thing is
Mr. Vidya Shankar, I hope our viewers are not going on a different look because we are giving them a lot of information. So continue.
so don't take it in other way, but yes, I'm just saying you an advantages of our products. Yes, this cameras, as I told you, it is very fast in terms of autofocus. Not only that, it can also record a very good movie recording of full high definition. When it comes to a professional photographers, there are few problems what we face when we are clicking images. We face a problem in terms of angle, right? But Sony cameras are having a three-way tiltable LCDs where it can actually do a photography from any angle, right? These things are there. Then apart from that one, we also have some other kind of features where it can give you an exact images which is called as an exposure to. Usually most of the times we click images then we see the results, right? But in Sony camera you can click the images and you can see the results before clicking the images. It is called exposure preview. These features are there.
So how much is this bad boy price at?
This is not a bad boy. Yes, this is a big boy. This it starts from 84,990 upwards. The same features whatever I have in this, it also starts from my 32,000, 33,000 rupees camera onwards.
Okay.
It is a very good cams.
I heard the 58 is something.
Yes, Alpha 58 I have. Also, we are having a set of lenses which suits for each and every customer. If you are an amateur customer, yes, you require a normal lenses like 1855.
The kit lens.
Yes, a normal basic kit lens. If you are a wedding photographer, if you are a professional photographer, yes, you like a lens which suits for multi-angle. So I have an 18-135 lens which actually suits 18 mm for your portrait photos, 50 mm for your again portrait. Then again when it comes to your 105 or 135 mm, which is actually good for your tele zooming lenses. So I have a 3 combination lens in one lens which is of 18-135 which comes along with your A58.
Guys,
So these all things I have.
guys, I've used this camera today and I'm really happy the way it's working. I would personally recommend it to everyone. If you're interested in getting a better scoop on this, I'm sure you would like to get in contact with Mr. Vidya Shankar. I'm really happy to meet this great and good, nice man who shared knowledge with us today about the camera.
So this is not the
Apart from that, I heard you're having an event tomorrow. Also
Yes,
somewhere.
yes.
Could
Yes.
you share with our friends?
Yes, exactly. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I have an event which it will be happening in Panjimin, and it will start post lunch somewhere around by 2:30 will start. Will end up by 6:30, so that you can get a vast information about all our cameras, including from when it started, who started it, then what are the technologies we have actually used in our cameras to bring out the best results. You can touch and feel the products. You can see the entire lineup along with the pro cams. You can also see the lenses ranges of our Sony cameras. So I heartily welcome each and every one of you for my event tomorrow in Panjimin at 2:30.
Please do come, everyone. Have a nice day. Do hit like, subscribe and comment. Peace.